Every recording location will have some kind of background noise, such as hums from appliances and fixtures. Some noise can be removed in editing, but be aware that inconsistent sounds such as talking or traffic can be difficult, if not impossible, to get rid of. Always record in the quietest location available and record at least 10 seconds of silence in the space, known as room tone, before starting. The first step in removing background noise is to sample a portion of the room tone in the recording. Find a few seconds of the recording with as little noise as possible. Make sure you're using the selection tool, and click and drag to highlight it. Try to get as long of a sample as possible. Then, navigate to Effect, Noise Reduction, and click Get Noise Profile. The window will close and the highlighted portion will automatically be sampled. Next, highlight the entire track and navigate back to Effect, Noise Reduction. Now, adjustments need to be made to the settings under Step 2. Be aware that these settings will take a few tries to get right. Noise reduction controls the amount that the noise will be reduced by. Try to keep this as low as possible while still lowering the noise to an acceptable level. Sensitivity controls how much the sample will be considered unwanted noise. Setting this too high or too low will cause distortion. A good starting point is 6. Frequency smoothing blends frequencies together. Keep this as low as possible and try starting at 3. Click Preview to hear a clip of what the track would sound like if this effect is applied. Select Reduce to hear the track with the noise removed, and Residue to hear the isolated noise itself. If the preview doesn't sound right, adjust the settings and preview again. When it sounds acceptable, be sure that Reduce is selected and click OK to apply the effect. Always listen to the track to make sure noise reduction worked properly, and if more adjustments need to be made, undo the effect and try again. Keep in mind that noise reduction can't completely fix poorly recorded audio, but it can make slight improvements. More information about Audacity can be found in our other videos, or by visiting the PLU knowledge base. If you need assistance, please feel free to reach out to Instructional Technologies.